Good afternoon everyone, welcome back to our video. So we already learned Unit 1 until Unit 5. So today we will study Unit 6 together, but we're not gonna study a lot because in Unit 6 we just review some vocabulary words and language focus point. But I just want to review the vocabulary words, not the grammar point or language focus, because it's just the same as Unit 1 to Unit 5. So you can just look and do the exercise. Okay, so here as you can see in the whiteboard, these are the vocabulary words that we have studied since Unit 1 to Unit 5. So now we will just review the vocabulary first. So eagle, chicken, ground, hen, nest, yard. So these are the words that we have studied in Unit 1. So Unit 2, we studied the word bear, bee, beehive, flower, honey, and tree. And in Unit 3, brush, elephant, forest, hare, villager, and whisper. In Unit 4, the vocabulary that we have learned is cat, cave, fur, rat, tiger, tree. And the last one, Unit 5, blackbird, build, raining, monkey, and angry. These are the vocabulary words that we have studied. Okay, so now please listen to me one more time. I will read all the words. All right. Eagle, chicken, ground, hen, nest, yard. Bear, bee, beehive, flower, honey, tree. Brush, elephant, forest, hare, villager, whisper. Cat, cave, fur, rat, tiger, tree. Blackbird, build, raining, monkey, angry. So now please listen and repeat after me. Eagle, chicken, ground, hen, nest, yard. Bear, bee, beehive, flower, honey, tree. Brush, elephant, forest, hare, villager, whisper. Cat, cave, fur, rat, tiger, tree. Blackbird, build, raining, monkey, angry. Okay, good job everybody. Now let's read together and let's try to say it in Khmer also, because maybe some of you might forget. So let's start. Now let's read together first. Eagle, chicken, ground, hen, nest, yard. Bear, bee, beehive, flower, honey, tree. Brush, elephant, forest, hare, villager, whisper. Cat, cave, fur, rat, tiger, tree. Blackbird, build, raining, monkey, and angry. Alright, so now We will say it in English and also in Khmer. Eagle, sat in tree, chicken, one, ground, day, hen, maimon, nest, some book, yard, tí clear ខាងក្រោយដែលមានស្មៅ bear សត្វខ្លាឃ្មុំ bee ឃ្មុំ beehive សម្បុកឃ្មុំ flower ផ្កា honey ទឹកឃ្មុំ tree ដើមឈើ brush យើងអាចនិយាយបានថាបើវាជានាមគឺប្រដាប់ដុសដែលប្រដាប់ដុសអីមួយណាដូចគេហៅច្រាសតែមិនច្រាសដ៏ថ្មីនេះណាច្រាសផ្សេងគេហៅbrush បើវាជាគុណនាមវិញno វាកិរិយាសព្ទវិញគឺយើងដុសអ្វីមួយអូខេ elephant ដំរី forest ព្រៃឈើ hare សត្វទន្សាយព្រៃ villager អ្នកភូមិ whisper ខ្សឹប cat ឆ្មា cave រូងភ្នំ fur រោម rat កណ្តុរ tiger ខ្លា tree ដើមឈើ blackbird ក្អែក build សាងសង់ raining ភ្លៀង monkey ស្វា angry ខឹងចឹងthese are the words that we have studied in unit 1 to unit 5 and in unit 6 we just review. So I think it's all but here they have used their word was and number 2 use did and answer with past simple. I think I will just show you this one, okay? So language focus. And letter C, speaking. Letter D, writing. Okay, so in language focus, here you just have to review, like they just want you to fill the blank or complete the sentences here with were or was, excuse me, with did and answer with the past simple. Use regular or irregular verbs of past simple. Here you can look. Okay. And another one is speaking. Look at the picture, ask and answer the question with your partner. So you can look this one. With the die thế. Hai nâng letter D គឺគេឲ្យយើង write a short story about animals that you know. Short story here. So you can pause the video and do it in your notebook. Okay, so I think it's all for today in this video because we just review the vocabulary words and we already finished this book, grade 6. So I hope you can learn a lot from the video that we made for you and some vocabulary words, some little grammar point and the story also. So thank you so much for your time, and if you want to watch again, just go into our page Bentimian J Rise, and you can watch all the units again, lesson here in grade 6. Okay, ចឹងអរគុណច្រើនមេរៀនរបស់យើងគឺចាប់ប៉ុណ្្នឹងឯងហើយក៏យើងអត់មានមេរៀនបន្តទៀតដែរដោយសារតែសៀវភៅថ្នាក់ទី6គឺយើងបានបញ្ចប់ហើយចាអញ្ចឹងសង្ឃឹមថាយើងបានរៀនអ្វីថ្មីពីវីដេអូដែលយើងបានធ្វើមក ហើយបានបង្រៀនអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាហើយបើសិនជាចង់យកវាទៅបង្រៀនឬក៏ចង់រំលឹកបន្ថែមអាចចូលមកក្នុងគេហទំព័រឬក៏ page របស់យើងគឺឈ្មោះបន្ទាយមានជ័យ Arise ហ្នឹងចាអញ្ចឹងអរគុណច្រើនសម្រាប់ពេលវេលាសម្រាប់ការចំណាយពេលសូមព្រះអង្គប្រទានពរសូមជម្រាបលា